Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made this hand glove. Really easy and very detailed tutorial, so please don't forget to subscribe and watch till the end. So I have this pattern paper which I will be using to draft on. So I'll go ahead and spread my hand just the same way you see like this. I'll place my hand on the pattern paper and spread it, and make sure that it gives space between the fingers so that the gloves will be more free and much more balanced when you finish sewing it. So I'll go ahead and use my pencil and then trace out my hand just the same way you see like this. I'll go ahead and trace out each finger following the placement of my hand. So guys, for the length of the glove, it's actually depending on how long you want it to be. If you want it to be longer, you will still extend it more than the way mine is. So this is actually how the pattern look like. I'm done tracing it out. So this is actually how it looks like. And the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to be adding about 1/4 inch all the way around the pattern for my sewing allowance. I'll go ahead and add 1/2 inch of so the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to be adding 1/4 inch all the way around the pattern. I will add it all the way around for sewing allowance, because I need the sewing allowance to be able to stitch down when I actually cut on my fabric. So I'll go ahead and add it all the way around. So guys, after doing that, I'll just go ahead and cut out everything now. Following the marked lines, I'll cut it all the way around. And I'll just carefully do this so that I don't end up spoiling the pattern or cutting any of the finger. So guys, I'm actually done doing that. I'm done cutting it. So the next thing is I'll go ahead and place it on the fabric that I'll be cutting on unfold. So you see how the shape look like. I carefully cut it and it's neat and well as well. So the fabric I place on is unfold with the right sides facing each other. The right sides are facing each other, and then I'll just go ahead and pin it down, pin through the fingers as well to hold them down. So guys, I'm actually done doing that. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be cutting the fabric now. I'll go ahead and carefully cut it all the way through. So guys, you see that the fabric I'm working on is really stretchy, so it will be much more better if you are working on a fabric that is not stretchy. You will need to add about 1/4 inch so that you'll be able to put your hand inside. If not, if there is no allowance, it will be difficult. So I'll just go ahead and sew it on my sewing machine with the allowance that I added. So I'm sewing on the pattern paper so that it will be much more easier for me, because I went there to pin it down like I did earlier, and then I'll go ahead and sew through the marked lines that I mark on the allowance that I added on the pattern paper. So guys, I'm actually done doing that. I'm done sewing it all the way around, so I'll go ahead and remove all the pins now. I'll remove all the pins, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be tearing and removing this pattern paper on the main fabric, and I'll carefully do that so I don't end up losing the stitches on the fabric. So after doing that, I went ahead to try it on first before turning it, so that I'll be able to adjust if there's any issue. But I tried and there was no issue on it. It was really balanced. So I'll be using my pencil to actually turn it inside out. I'll follow each of the finger like that and then turn it to be able to turn it to the right side and then iron it. So guys, I'm actually done doing that, and then I'll just go ahead and iron it so that it will be neat and flat. And I'm also done ironing, and this is how it looks like. This is how the whole thing looks like. So if your edges are rough, you go ahead and fold it into two and then sew it all the way around. But mine is not. I just want to leave it like that and it will still be okay. So this is actually how it looks like. You see how stretchy the fabric is, so even without adding anything it will still fit in on my hand. So I'll just go ahead and try it on. I'll put my hand in it and then try it on to see how it will look like after ironing. So guys, I'm actually done putting it on, and this is how it looks like from the downside to the upper side, and it's so nice. I'll be able to move my fingers freely. It's not that tight, and the fact that the fabric is stretchy, it's free, it's okay on my body. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're still here, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in my next video. Bye.